Welcome everybody. Today we're gonna take a look at one of the most iconic Glocks ever, the Glock 18. Without getting deep into the history, it's like a 17 but with a fun switch. The feeling behind this? Well, just imagine a gun that can actually shoot 3 or 4 times faster than you can pull the trigger. The rate of fire makes this gun super cool to shoot and also super cool to watch. The internet is full of videos showing people dumping mags and cool slow motion shots, like this one, a little bit of Vickers tactical style. Of course on the budget, but still looks quite well. But in this video we wanted to check if there is any practical use of this gun, means if you can actually hit something with it. Okay, so the simple drill. 3 targets, we're gonna engage them from left to right with a single burst. Okay, and one more time. Okay, so the left one is the worst, only 2 shots on target, 3 on paper. The middle one, 4 hits, and the last target is 6 on the target. Okay, so let's break it down in a slow motion. In my opinion, the reason why the first target is the worst of all 3 is really related to the grip. Because no matter how long and how much you shoot with this gun, the first burst is always a surprise. You can see that in high speed, that after the first shots I automatically tightened my grip and the control over the gun is much better in the following targets. Next, we're going to try something similar to 1-1-2-1-1. We're going to go from left to right and back to left. Same as before, I'm going to be using short bursts because my finger won't allow me to shoot anything less than 3 rounds. Actually, not too bad. Let's see this in the slow motion. You can notice that my grip on the first shots wasn't so tight. And I pull it a little bit down on the first comeback. As you will see in a second on the targets, I pull it off a little bit on the last one as well. And so we have left target 3 hits, middle one 5 hits, and all 6 dead center on the third. All drills were shot from around 6 to 7 meters. Conclusion: if you have a good solid grip and spend some trigger time on this gun, you can really shoot this accurately and with full control. Only problem we see is the ammo consumption, because the standard monks won't last for long. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel, like, share or leave a comment. See you next time.